Start the new year with the 18-day meditation with Master Li. Let our hearts connect. Let our minds connect. And let our chi connect. We'll become a big chi ocean. Let's practice together and learn from one another to create a beautiful chi flow where we connect to earth and nature. Let's open our hearts and let our chi flow. It's not only good for ourselves, it's good for our whole society. Find healing and unconditional love during our 18-day practice with Master Li.